What I mean is, because if you lay the cable tray in the classroom or anywhere, it's very ugly. All right, that's why we have electrical riser. That's a purpose for it, to hide the cable tray. Olden days, we don't have electrical riser. We just have like open space. So that's why they are using cable tray. And other thing is like for industrial parks, those like factory lah, manufacturing, then they will still use cable tray. Sometimes cable tray, not just to lay cable, is to lay like piping also, aircon piping, which is can be tied. Yeah, locations is important. So let's say if we want to draw one cable tray across, how we going to add? I believe some you guys, you have the doing level 1 here, right? So your cable tray for this year must be higher, because this glass door, I don't know whether what is the height of this glass. See, if it's a full height, you see the cable tray will be very ugly. Okay, all these two sides are glass. So somehow or rather, we need to think of how we can lay our cable. Okay, so let's say I take one part to draw it. Let me select the view to be coarse view, so that at least my view is cleaner and not that heavy. So cable tray system, cable tray is here, or shortcut key CT. So industrial, normally they use what type of cable tray? The one like a ladder, below is like kind of net. I think in BCA you all see before, right? For the block A and block B. Block C, I think partially have, because they did do some renovation. So you guys might not see nowadays. But I think A and B also start to disappear now. Because recently they are doing the renovation on that block also. So you can see that they start to hide away. But again, let's try. Select cable tray. So automatically connect, that's one thing. What is the height? So here, meantime, the preset for us is 2.8. In real world practice, you may need to adjust. And of course, depends on the width and the height. Because cable tray can have different tier. All right, like a railway. Or depends how complex. Because sometimes certain, you're aware, right? Internet cable and electric cable, not internet cable, sorry. Network cable or telephone cable, they can be together. Correct?
So
Then if let's say you using conduit, you know that your electrical cable, the wire, and your telephone or network cable, they must split. In the sense that they must have a divider in between. You're aware that?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You also got study that also, right? What's the reason behind?
So you can repeat the thing you say.
Okay, you're aware that, let's say we talk about when you lay your at home, you lay the wiring cable, right? Then you know that you use those conduit casing one. You know, some casing they actually have a divider in between or in one of corner. Some they are special. That means you place your network cable separately with your wiring. See that before?
Yeah.
What's the reason?
Prevent the other cable from affecting the network speed, I guess.
More like a magnetic field, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because cable itself, that is magnetic or electricity, that's a magnetic field. So you actually affect even telephone cable also. You affect the what you call filter, the noise. That's why sometimes you see those household telephone, there's a kind of zzz sound, I think, because of all this cable thingy. Yeah. Oh, anyway, these are some detail lah. So let's say how you want to place it. If 300 is too big, I'll change it to 200. Whether the height 100, I think normally I don't think so lah. Let me set this guy to 50. So from here, height, let's say assume is 2.8. Or now because you're trying to 50, it adjusts. Don't worry. Let's try to draw something here. If I draw this and I stop somewhere here. Okay. What happened now? What's the reason behind here? Only one stick line. Anyone?
Because it's cost, I guess.
Because it's what?
Like the detail.
Yes, because of the detail level. But it's out already. See you know. Okay, so at times here a bit difficult to see, right? So remember, go to select this fella, change it to section box. Then you're able to see it clearly. Now, okay, this is how you look like in 3D. Shaded. But from what we see here, it look like this, right? From what you see here is a 3D. Any other patterns? Because it's a channel tray, ladder. No div, the detail level is quite bad. Is it because of 200 or 100? Let's adjust. 300? No, no div. The way they model the things is so much difference. This is cable tray fitting. This is cable tray without fitting, single mesh. Cost online, fine. It means once a while you got to adjust your graphics. I mean, for my case, see, once you adjust it, then it looks better. This is a single. This is a single rail. Turn on, off again. Yeah, seems like not much kind of diff. How about the wire mesh here? Looks not much kind of diff also. Yeah. So sometimes graphics wise, it's just that the data is there, but much kind of change. Okay, here it does. I think this is more like a ladder type. It's a ladder type. So you can see clearer. Okay. Very funny, 50 it doesn't show, 100 it show. Okay, let's try 50. Okay, 50 still show. Then just now what's happening? Come on, weird. Okay, it still does, it still does. 100. Let's say this one 200. 200. I think 200 is quite normal. It's a standard size, all right? School IC one, I think is around 200 to 300 around there. All right, but all these, I think your engineer will know lah, huh? Okay, so if you need, okay, now it's out. So when there's a turn, how? Straight turn. Right click. Create similar. Snap from here. Turn. Oops. Undo. You see they add the fitting for you. Notice that?
sir.
Horizontally. See the fitting? Cool, huh? How come your view never update one? Very bad, Aiyo.
I think just now you select the diagram only.
Huh?
Just now select the cable tray only.
Yeah, but my view is supposed to show unless you tell me, you know, it's been blocked. But because I select the okay, a bit very funny. Why? Hold on, I think temporary this one I close first. This one I close first. Even if I select that fine, but you can see that they are still connected as one You get what I mean? You get what I mean? By right, it should be increasing. Show.
I think you need to highlight the whole thing, is it? Highlight the whole cable tray length.
Unless here there's something to do with the box you know, where they crop the 3D view box. Section box is shown, but where is the section box? See not? You get what I mean?
Mine showing as a
Mine not showing later. That's the thing.
yeah.
So if you show the section box, then maybe you can still adjust, but mine doesn't show. So it means it's something with this Nah, see not? Highlight your section box, unhide, then you close it. See that? So now if you enable, I believe you should able to see it now. See the difference? Oops, what did I select? Disappear. Oops, hold on. I accidentally select something. Okay, it's here. This fella. Okay. So from here, you guys can, based on the view, to see what is the height. Does it block anything or it should be higher than your opening? Okay, so this height you need to focus if you are selecting a cable tray. All right, you get what I mean? Okay, make sure it should not clash on anything. Okay, so if you guys create a first story room, which is near maybe on here, let's say for someone that doing here, right? Santos, you're doing this also, right?
Yes, sir.
Then maybe you like to draw your cable trace along this area. Don't start from here, then draw all the way there. You see? Because first story, normally, I would say that you might not see the cable tray. Even if you see, they should stop those near the wall. And because this is glass, right? I might not know what is the full height. So if you guys draw all the way there, the front entrance, you see the cable tray with glass, clear glass there, is not going to pass the design. Okay, so sometimes when you do all this, we got to understand. All right, so you look at the model itself, you see a full height. If it's a full height, then you guys got to take note. Okay, take a look here. Looks like it's a full height. Yeah, see that? So it's a full height. Oh, yeah. So full height means you don't expect to see the cable tray passing through. The cable tray might stop somewhere up to here. So you need to know what is this room. Okay. I know this room is a sprinkler room. This one, I don't know what room is that. So you guys check. So your cable tray, if you draw up to there, it should be stopped here. And after that, it should be inside this building. So try to understand the room here, how they lay out. Okay, so from here, you can adjust it. For instance, select this. If I move, see what happens. Because all these should be quite close to your wall, but not 100%. Give around 50 mm gap. Yeah, see, the whole thing will adjust. Okay, so it means here must have an opening. All right, so this one here, try to move. They will also change. Okay. So this is how you can see cable tray being laid. Now this cable tray, so far, you don't see any holder yet. You can add holder, if I didn't remember wrongly. All right. Yep. Well, this is quite close, huh? Okay. Use your keyboard up down arrow is easier. Okay, like this. So 3D, you don't expect this to look like this. They show something called the hanger. Okay, so WT, yep. Don't select the bin file. Okay, now can not select it. So any hanger, tray fitting, any more? No. Pick this fella. I don't see hanger here. Cable tray with fitting, cable tray without fitting. You see any hanger there? Modeling, I don't see any hanger. This is only the fitting. Conduit. Huh? That's it. That's funny. Rise, drop. That's it. They don't show the hanger type. It's kind of weird. Have or not? Don't have, right? So it's more like floating. No logic, right? How this being justified when you place it? Cannot be changed also, huh? Yeah, nothing for it to change also. You can, oh, sorry, it's here. Alignment line. It should be below, remember, bottom. All right. And this is the control point. It should be bottom and center. Yeah. That select all. Tap select all, then you change. Wrong space. Reapply type change. But I don't see any hanger. You can find any hanger there? You try to draw now,
It's a drawing.
but I don't see any hanger leh.
See, mine also, I can't see.
Because here there's no tools to place hanger. Previous version I saw it before. You can add hanger. Don't tell me nowadays it says no need. This kind of weird leh. Or the hanger is it off the VG? Let's take a look. Cable tray, center drop rise fitting, center line. Nothing much to show. Yeah, nothing much. It's kind of weird. Nowadays don't need to show. Okay. Don't need to show, then it's good lor.
Cable tray fitting as it.
It's called fitting meh? I don't think so leh.
I don't know.
It's only says cable tray, but they don't show the, like your lighting. See your lighting, the light, there two metal piece there.
Yeah.
Previously you can add this inside one, but I don't know why this one don't have. Unless this one change to channel cable tray, is it? Then it does show. Let's try. Was fine very well. Nowadays, previously I tried before there is, but now I seldom use it because it's not required. Meantime, it doesn't show. Yeah, only have justification. Don't have really. It's kind of funny. Very weird. Don't know why.
So then what's
Okay.
the cable tray fitting for?
Fitting is to add the corner if you want to change. Not the hanger itself. It's just the joint connector. Connection is the fitting. Right? Yeah. This one, this is conduit
Yeah.
fitting. Yeah. This is the cable tray fitting. Look at the joint.
Yeah.
That's all only, but they don't insert the hanger anymore. Previously, I can still see all the version. I still see the hanger, but here now I don't see any hanger. Okay, they don't include anymore. Then forget it lah. That's what I find very weirdly. How come no hanger one? Component, place a component. Let's see, do we need? I'm still curious, dying to find out more. Because I seldom do it when the new release on this. Cable tray fitting. See, all these are purely fitting only. That's it. No hanger. Conduit cable tray. Singapore, US. Matrix. Cable tray. No cable tray. Curtain panel, curtain wall. No cable tray, meh? Can find out. US don't need cable tray. I don't see cable tray here. Mechanical, lighting, no. Opening, mechanical, electrical. Aki, no, I don't want electrical Aki. Well, US got lesser stuff compare. Let's check. See UK. UK cable tray, we have it. Only the fitting. Yeah, same as Singapore. Nothing much really. Yeah, nothing much. Okay lah. Don't have means we don't need to use. Okay. If no need, then save time. If
How
not,
to adjust the crop region for 3D again?
which one?
Like how to adjust the crop region?
Oh, just now the crop region, because when you go 3D, right, it doesn't show. Because I check it.
Oh,
This is the one. Initially, it's not shown because of the bulb. This bulb here, you turn on, it hide. See this? You can hide it. But here you can't hide. They only enable you to unhide. So initially, if I hide it, for instance, I select this, see section box?
yeah.
I click, you go to hide in view, element. See, now it's gone already. So even you turn on and off, it still won't show. See?
Yeah.
So if that's the case, then you got to do adjustment now. All right, which is you got to go to your bulb. This one. In 3D, only in 3D, then
Yeah.
you see there's a frame here.
Yep.
See this? Select this 3D frame. It's called section box. Then unhide element. Then you close it. This box should be out. Then you can crop your view. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Can-
But 3D crop view, you can't have much change lah. Not like your that crop for the region. See, there's no other special adjustment. Oh. So just to symbolize it, when you do in certain room, when your area, like say maybe instruction room, then you just draw something beside. Then to show that from the connection, how it go into the supply. I mean, something like what I show you like this. How it go into the room. There must be a way in, right? Correct or not? Okay. Yeah. So you just add some part like this. If you are doing on level 1, level 2 no need, because when you look at the ceiling plan, you can't see this. And because level 1, it doesn't have a ceiling, you don't draw it on ceiling. Later, your connecting all be like messy. So just simply go to your level 1 floor plan, then just add. Then make sure the height, you double check at that room. Although our ceiling is at 2.6, this one should be higher than that. Now I give it based on 2750. Okay, you can't set same height as your what's that called? Piping. When I say piping is your fire. Okay, so all this later when you add, you gotta take note because our fire, we might not know what is the height yet. So this one must be either higher or below. All right, for this case, I believe should be higher. Oh, so in electrical, your cable tray temporarily, you can leave it as maybe 2750 if you are not sure. So all this model when plan we do, you can see that from time to time we got to adjust when all this come into place, when they come to merging together, when to collaborate all the drawing. You get what I mean?
Yep.
So it's challenging. So first story, I will just stop here. Then if let's say you guys draw instruction room, then you should have some tray connected here. So connected here, if I would like to add, I'll go to system, fitting, then add here. What type of fitting? So you can choose. So for this case, let's say you want this. This is a T channel, but not such a big one. Should be a small one. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so say 300. I'll add one here. Hopefully same height. Elevation never say 2750. All this tray 1, 2, 3, 4 height, you can adjust. You can see from here. Is it connected correctly? Let's take a look. It does. See now. Okay. But I'll say the spacing here, you see there's a plus and minus. What is this?
Close the one.
This is a 4-way. We need is only a 3-way, right?
Yeah.
So this one, is there a 3-way? Yeah. Unless on top here, oops, sorry, you can turn on and off. With 3, with 1. That's it. Height. Yeah.
Three-way
3-way.
cannot use T, man.
T, but the T is too big.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, but now if I use wrongly, I can't swap. Look at it. Nothing for me to swap. If I delete this, you become a blank, right? Yeah. So if you're blank, let's say temporarily, I would like to join them. It should be join them back this way. All right. So yes, I want a T, but just now the T shape is super ugly. That's why I don't want. Yeah, it should be this one, horizontal T. My worry is this is quite big because of the radius. Normally, it should be a small one like a reducer. Yeah, because you're bending, unless it's a really center exchange, because now you are filtered to a room. So for a room, it should be smaller. You see that? What is this union thingy? This is a vertical band, reducer, horizontal T. Yeah. Okay, I think I'll select this horizontal T for this. Or if not, I will choose this one. Okay, height. Let me see. 2750. Put it here. Spacebar. No rotation. Oh my gosh. Okay, this only the connection, right? Rotation should be this. Let's say we select anywhere here, maybe. All right, which is this is wrong lah, huh? Oops, hold on. It doesn't rotate. Why it disappear? What's happening? Did I delete? Disappear. That's kind of weird. Not that intelligent. Okay, try the my PC. What happened? It's very slow because I'm using on the other screen. Reducer 2750. Okay, let's put it here first. Then you rotate. Oops, wrong orientation. Rotate this. Nah, seems like this type of rotation is only the 3D tilting. See from your view here. All right, so you see from here, this is upside down, right? Now this is correct. So your rotate from your planner must be this rotate. Okay. So the 50 offset height with 300 tray length. No opening size. See now. The family very weird, huh? 600. This is 300. Width is here. Let's say I want 200. This is offset width. In the center. Tray length. Drag this. Join here. Oops. Doesn't want to fit. Whole thing disappear. See that? I don't know what happened. It become join here. That means reducer is not for
Splitting.
yeah, it's not for splitting. That's why I say I seldom use this. It's for join only.
So the tree can I try. The tree can.
Which tray can?
The T, I mean.
Which one?
The ladder T. Ladder horizontal T.
That means the fitting, huh?
Yeah. I just changed the tray width 1 and 2 to 300. Then you can fit properly.
You mean this one?
No, the horizontal ladder T.
Or you call ladder T? This one? Not reducer lah. This one?
Yeah, correct.
I was thinking using reducer. Okay, but okay, go to the plan. Here it works lah. Yeah. How come it's tracking outside? That's weird. Flipping. Any flipping seems like no. Spacebar doesn't. This is flipped this way. Yep, nothing. Minus is gone. See this? They always auto flip the other side. Very weird, huh? 2750. They should go up. Move it. Touch the center. Doesn't join. If I try to use a line, I can't find a center. See, always go the other side. How you change it? Rotate.
My spacebar can rotate. Yeah.
My one cannot rotate.
I don't know why my one can.
Angry. Oh my goodness. How come only come to mine? Only I don't want to work on it. I've been tapping the space bar but doesn't rotate.
Spacebar can eh?
Huh?
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
mine also spacebar can.
Like mine doesn't want to work. See, I'm tapping space bar now. It doesn't want to work. Oh, angry man. Oh my gosh. Anyway, as long as you guys okay, then okay, fine. I don't know why mine doesn't want to work. That's why I'm looking for the flip tools. It doesn't even have a flip tools. See, even my flip, I try to flip, nothing happened at all. See? I can't flip. Oh my goodness. Okay, the rest only Vinny and Chachi can flip. Karu, cannot.
We can flip so.
Teresa, Shana,
Mm.
yours can.
Yeah.
Okay. Vina? Vina,
Yes, sir.
yours works or not? The flipping space bar?
Oh, yeah.
Who else? Where is who I didn't call? Okay, so only my set doesn't rotate or doesn't flip. Any trick here, or did I miss out anything? You guys do any adjustment?
Oh, wait. When I snap on the thing, right, it's the correct direction.
Serious?
Yeah, someone can flip.
My I can't. I don't know why. Very weird. See, if I join this back, now I try to get, just try the last time. It don't work. I don't waste time really, seriously. Very weird. It doesn't place for me nicely. Okay, you see, from here, see, this way it can, but it doesn't select the center. See, space bar only for connecting point, not the flipping. See that? If here,
So maybe you check the rotate after placement.
but should not be like that, right?
Yeah.
See?
Oh yeah.
Killing me. Very funny. Never mind. Yours work. Can already. Maybe I got to do separately before I move in. Well, anyway, as long as I say you understand, will do. Sometimes Revit are a bit weird. I don't know why. Okay, so this is for those like you are doing first story. As I say, recap. I don't need you to draw the whole tray. If you are doing maybe some of the room here, some of the room here, and maybe some room here, just add your cable tray, let's say up to here, or here. For this side, I will say that you try to from here this way up. Then you can join in here. Okay. Because I think from second floor onwards, you can have a different way of putting. Because second floor, I don't think you have entrance here. It's already a room, I believe. Yeah. So I think cable tray can be on top again. So here can be from this way. They go over lah. Anyway, I'm not the also called this not the final item yet. So as long as you guys understand, that'd be good. So questions so far? So assuming, let's say, I go back to my second floor ceiling already done, right? Yeah, like this. Remember, if the position is correct, and if you are still worried that, oh, maybe I still need to change later on, you may say temporarily don't show this. Another word, you go to VG under link Revit. If you are able to do any adjustment here, you change. But if you can't, that means it ties down to the ceiling template. So ceiling template here, you go to your VG overrides RVT link. Just temporarily uncheck your mechanical. Do not remove, just uncheck. Means what? Don't show. See? So your view now looks cleaner. This is what you want. They can do your tagging. All right. When you're tagging, don't tag one by one. Just tag this is 1 and this is 2 because the rest are same. Okay. You don't need to tag every single one. All right. Tag 1 or 2 because all these should be identical. Questions? If no, let me stop recording first because I need the